mananggait sa Diyos sa tanan at sa tanan kabahatan. Let's have first our prayer before the master. Is Moino, please lead us in prayer. Thank you very much. And now take your seats. Okay, again, mananggait sa Diyos sa tanan. Alright, so how are you today, man? Okay, that's great. Okay, mong tanan. Okay, now let's first have your attendance. Say absent today, anyone? None? Okay, great. Yan. Sige, ganun last friend niya. Okay, now, before the master of class, let's have first our classroom rules. Now, first is no using of cell phones during my class unless it is important or emergency. Second is, if you want to speak and share your answer with the class, you may raise your hand and wait to be acknowledged. Third one is, be participative when we have activities like we'll be giving points to those very active na mga students. And lastly, of course, be respectful to your classmates and to me as your teacher for today. Okay. Now, it's review time. Let's go. Now, let's have a short recap of the last lesson that we have discussed. What was it all about, man? Anyone from that class? Yes, Miss Sherbel. Yes, it could be. Kung kaniliman ka ng exact word na to. Yes, Miss Janela, please. Yes, very good. Exactly. That is correct. Thank you, Miss Janela. Now, who can give me one of those principles? Yes, Miss Moito. Okay, very good. Thank you, Miss Moito. You have been good naman din. Okay, the four principles that we have in physical activities. Physical activity are principle of specificity, principle of overload, and principle of progression, and principle of reversibility. Okay.
Now, since you already remembered our previous discussion, let us now proceed to our objective. So, before we formally start our discussion, we will have first our objective. So first, we have identify different health Based on the images, kanina, kung pakita sa inyo ha, what do you think are the health issues that we are facing today? Sa dito sila, ang mga very apparent na mga health problems that we face today. What you will do with that QR code that I'm giving you is that you will type out health problems that we are facing today and then you press submit. So, sige daw, i-share daw ninyo. Okay, now we have one response. We have heat stroke, arthritis. So, come on. What else? Wala na? Oh, we have cold, we have heat exhaustion. What else? We have diabetes, flu, very apparent ang flu karon no, especially karon sa atong weather, kay very very weird atong weather today, kay wag init, kanang mabuntag, and then by the evening, kay ulan. So importante ito na we take care of our health. I see that most of you have answered heat exhaustion, heat stroke, so many, heat stress, puro heat. Okay, mo ba na na experience karon no? Ang heat wave rather, kay very heavy dyan ang heat wave sa ating country the past few weeks. Again, this is a reminder for you class to always bring with you your water bottles. Ano man, para stay hydrated. Dapat stay hydrated always. That's good to hear ka na nadala mo sa inyong water bottle. So talking about health issues in our society, we have kanang Latino, we have convention, we have depression, we have unhealthy lifestyle, we have arthritis, injuries, yes. Tobacco use, yes. So many cold, flu, daghan no. So talking about health concerns, health issues in our society, daghan jud kaayo no, especially karon sa atong very change na weather sa atong country no. So all of these you mentioned ay very correct na siya. Now, I want you to analyze, I want you to conceptualize isa di ang mga factors that contributes to all of these diseases, all of these health problems that we face today. What do you think? Yes, Ms. Chanela, you are raising your hand.
I think one of the factors that are really affecting these health issues are environmental factors. Sometimes it's from the genetics or the age, and most of the time it's because of the poor lifestyle of a person.
Thank you, Ms. Janela. That is true, no? Environmental. So, did you mention? Environmental factors, genetics, poor unhealthy lifestyle, no? Especially karon mga Gen Z, kaya kung tayo very apparent naman siya ng technology, so very sedentary na siya naman ang lifestyle. Hindi niya siya malikayan, no? Naman ang siya mag-medyo bilo sa panglawas. So this is a reminder again for you class to always take care of your body by doing physical activity, okay? Am I understood class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now for our activity, I want you to So soon, if you are a as a future educator, this is an example po sa inyong activity ko na ipapit sa inyong mga students. So I have here a word cloud containing words, as you can see. What you will do is you select 15 words, and then you still do construct a 6 to 10 sentences across 2 separate paragraphs within the context of ano importante mention ang physical activity. So like for example, if I were to construct a sentence, hindi ko I will pick well-being and then active. So if I were to construct it, it would be something like leading an active lifestyle is crucial for our overall well-being. So something in so it is up to you on how you construct a sentence depending on your creativity. But kailangan mo siya instruction 6 to 10 sentences and then 2 separate paragraphs. Okay. Now, are my instructions clear, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, would it be possible for you to do it within 15 minutes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, time check. It's still 9:20, so I'll be collecting it at 9:35. You can now start. Are you all finished, class?
Not yet, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What about the others?
Not yet. Wait lang, ma'am.
Class, are you all done? We're so loud now.
Yes, ma'am. Not yet, ma'am.
We not yet. Your other classmates are still answering, so please, for those who are done, be silent. Are you all done now?
That's the ma'am.
Okay now? Okay. Now pass your papers to the center aisle. Pass your papers forward with silently. Thank you, Ms. Habate. Alright, now this time class will be having our sharing. Can I have 3 volunteers to share their output with the class?
Ikaw naman.
It's a man.
Labate na, kabate.
Okay.
burns calories and builds strength, but also contributes to overall well-being. Setting fitness goals provides a sense of direction and accomplishment, motivating individuals to push themselves further. Positivity and focus are enhanced through exercise as it boosts energy levels and improves cognitive function. Balance physical activity with other aspects of life, such as work and relationships, promotes a holistic approach to health and development. Flexibility, both and physical and mental,
Silence, class.
nurtured
Your classmate is talking.
is nurtured through the various challenges and situations we engage. Furthermore, prioritizing physical activity fosters spiritual and mental well-being, and exercise can be a form of meditation, offering moments of introspection, clarity. It uplifts mood and contributes. Sure. Taking care of one's physical shape not only improves self-esteem but also instills a sense of discipline and commitment. Tapos, muna siya at ang 15 na po nga word. I have here lifestyle, burn, strength, goal, productivity, focus, balance, development, flexibility, spiritual, mental, motivation, shape, self-esteem, and exercise. And that's all. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for that profound idea, Mr. Ramsala. A round of applause for Mr. Ramsala. Okay, that was very insightful idea. Now we have next Mr. Lamparas for his output.
So as for me, when I read that one, so physical activity provides a
Don't
wide
laugh
range
at
of benefits, and engaging in such is vital for several reasons. To begin with, being physically active promotes positivity and boosts one's mood by releasing endorphins. That contributes to one's positive outlook on life. So in addition to that, it strengthens the immune system, making the body become more resilient to illnesses and infections. Moreover, physical activity has a positive impact on mental health through reducing symptoms of anxiety and depression, and helps alleviate stress through the reduction of stress hormones. Conducting regular exercise helps in the development and toning of muscles, leading to the improvement overall physical well-being and concentration, allowing a person to perform better in their daily tasks. So, when an individual actively participates in physical activity and work diligently to accomplish their fitness goals, they experience a remarkable sense of achievement that resonates deep within, instilling a profound sense of self-worth and self-esteem. They can also improve their sleep quality through this, leading to better rest and rejuvenation. Being physically active helps individuals maintain a healthy balance between their work and personal life, and this contributes to a more fulfilling and satisfying life.
Thank you for the profound idea. A round of applause for Mr. Lamparas. Next, we have Ms. Moiko.
So, engaging in physical activity is vital for maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Cardio exercises like running are excellent for improving heart health and increasing endurance. Additionally, incorporating flexible and balanced exercise into your routine can enhance overall agility and reduce the risk of injury. A well-rounded approach to fitness also involves focusing on nutrition, ensuring that your body receives the necessary nutrients to support your active lifestyle. It also positively impacts your mental well-being. Engaging in regular workouts release endorphins, which can boost mood and reduce stress. Dance workout, in particular, offer a fun and expressive way to stay fit while improving coordination and cognitive function. Maintaining motivation is key to staying consistent with your fitness routine. So finding activities that you can enjoy can help you stay focused and committed. By prioritizing both physical and mental health, you can achieve a balanced and fulfilling lifestyle.
Thank you for that perspective, Artelia, and for Ms. Moico class. So thank you class for your enthusiastic participation, no? So what have you observed about our activity so far? Yes, Mr. Harisola, you're raising your hand. Oh, you're not raising your hand. Okay, anyone, what have you observed so far in our activities and our previous discussion? Yes, Ms. Moico?
Janela naman pala siya.
Oh, yes, Ms. Janela. What have you observed so far about our activities?
I think the activities are centered on identifying the different health issues, I guess.
Very good. That is actually correct. The activity that I have given to you has something to do with the lesson that we'll be tackling today.
Okay, now, based on the activity that we just did, what do you think will be our topic this morning? Yes, anyone from the class? Yes, Miss Muiko.
I think, sir, the physical engaging in physical activity.
Yes, it could be. Yes, that is correct on both also, but I'm looking for a certain term, a certain terminology. Yes, Mr. Lamparas. Yes?
Based on the activity that we just did, I think that the lesson that we will discuss now is relates to aerobic exercises.
Yes, very good. Right now, very good. Thank you very much, Mr. Lamparas. That is actually correct. Today we'll be delving into the world of aerobic exercises. Okay, now, based on the activity that we just did, what do you think will be our topic this morning? Yes, anyone from the class? Yes, Miss Muiko.
I think, sir, the physical engaging in physical activity.
Yes, it could be. Yes, that is correct on both also, but I'm looking for a certain term, a certain terminology. Yes, Mr. Lamparas. Yes?
Based on the activity that we just did, I think that the lesson that we will discuss now is relates to aerobic exercises.
Okay, exactly. That is correct, Mr. Lamparas. We will be delving into the world of aerobic exercise. Okay, any one of you, kabalo, what is aerobic exercise? Yes, Miss Sherbel.
Oh, answer.
Yes, Miss Sherbel. Wala kay answer. Okay, anyone from the class who has idea what is aerobic exercise? Yes. Yes, Miss Sarah.
Aerobic exercise, sir, I believe based on the graphics that you have put in the PPT, I would say aerobic exercises deals with something making our body move, sir.
Yes, exactly. Okay, we will discuss more further what is aerobic exercise. But what Miss Sarah have mentioned correct. Now, picture yourself working out. Again, picture yourself working out. It's a way na the of weight din.
Hindi kayo po, sir.
It's a may na-participate sa mga activities like Zumbas, mag-TikTok.
Tiktok!
Mag-TikTok.
Tiktok!
Wow! Sige, if you have answered yes, you
Well, the
are...
reason of tomorrow, sir.
Later. Again, if you answer yes, you are doing and participating into...
Aerobic
Yes,
exercise.
exactly. According to Dr. Kenneth H. Cooper, you may take note of that, the word aerobic literally means with oxygen or in the presence of oxygen. Isa to, Miss Moiko?
In the presence of oxygen
Or
or oxygen.
with oxygen, exactly. Aerobic activity trains the heart, the lungs, and cardiovascular systems to process and deliver oxygen more quickly and efficient to every part of the body. Kung wala kay oxygen, killed ka. Yes, Mr. Elno?
Yes, sir.
Na kailangan kay oxygen so mag-move ka and feet sa ubos. Dili i-tackle sa armchair. Yes, very good.
Sorry, sir.
Yes. Okay, next. Aerobic exercise is any activity that yes, Miss Moimo, please read.
Aerobic exercise is any activity that cause you to sweat, breathe harder, and have your heart beat quicker than regular.
Experience ba sa tanan, Ana? I believe yes.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Aerobic exercise, guys, it strengthens your heart and lungs while training your cardiovascular system to handle and distribute oxygen rapidly and efficiently throughout your body. Now, who can give me one example of an aerobic exercise? Yes, Mr. Rael.
Sponsor, running.
Yes, running. Yes, Miss Sherbel.
Monster, kailangan TikTok,
Yes, exactly.
Sure.
Sa may example sa TikTok na TikTok challenge ka mangako dyan.
Aso kami, sir.
I believe ang masukat, hindi lang kayo mahalaga. Yes, exactly. Yes, Mr. Lamparas.
Dancing, sir.
Dancing, yes, it could be. Dancing is one of the concrete example of an aerobic exercise. Very good, that is correct. Any physical activity that involves your whole body, tapos inyong heart rate mag-beat siya faster, is be considered as aerobic activity. Aerobic activity or aerobic exercises. Yes, that is correct. Now, what do you think? Listen, everyone. Now that you have an idea naman what is aerobic activity or aerobic exercises, what do you think are the benefits man of this? Sige.
Improve ang blood circulation.
Yes, Mr. Will, please stand up.
Ma-improve ang blood circulation, sir.
Yes, yes, very good. Anyone? Yes, Mr. L.
Sponsor, increase energy, endurance, sir, something like that.
Okay, I need one volunteer na lang. Yes, Miss Moiko.
Maintain your healthy weight.
Yes. Tapos, nakapulit ko ba example like reduce risk of heart diseases? Ano man? Ano ma-reduce na siya sa heart diseases? Yes, exactly. Guys, during man, sa inyong activity, during the aerobic activity, guys, gina-train man yung heart, diba? Gina-train ang heart and lungs. Very good. Exactly. That is correct. Thank you very much, everyone. Now, aerobic exercise has been extensively studied for its numerous health advantages. Just like ako mentioned kanina, advantages, diba? Nagpangkatid din yung mga examples. And its effectiveness lies in its ability to push the body's cardiorespiratory system, strengthen the heart again and the lungs while burning calories and boosting the metabolism. Sama ng metabolism. Anyone? Yes, Ms. Sherbel. Please stand up, Ms. Sherbel. It could be, exactly. Tapos, aerobic exercise well-being, of course. Tapos, hindi lang kayo mag-participate sa Zumba, ang kanang aerobic, hindi lang kayo mag-participate sa mga activities outside sa balay, outside ka na mag-training and all, tapos ka na sa mga gym, di ba? But also, naabot na, wala lang ka sa balay, maka-engage ng pagkaon, physical activity, para sa aerobic exercise. Okay, isa may, take two. Wala. Take two. Anything that gets you moving can be impactful to your physical well-being. Dili lang kay mga activities outside the school, outside your house, not just ka na sa gyms, ka na mag-exercise ka, hindi lang ka na consider kung maka-engage ka sa aerobic exercise ka, but also in your household. Just like household chores are actually considered medium intensity cardiovascular or strength training exercises. So, who among you here man can give an example of household activities that you believe nag-engage or makasify siya as an exercise, as aerobic exercise? Yes, Ms. Michael.
Mga paso, sir.
Yes, exactly. Another, yes, Ms. Cherbel.
Mopping the floor, sir.
Yes, exactly, that is correct. What else? Miss Saraan.
Sponsor ka ng malinig, malamaso,
Yes.
magalaw, mabugas.
Yes, exactly, that is correct. Tatanang naman siya ninyo is correct. Tapos sakto po ito si Miss Sarael. Ihang imasyon na getting your body moved can be impactful to your well-being. Plus, it is important to keep in mind that physical activity or exercises lies in its multifaceted contributions sa ating health. It serves both as key player in the battle against sedentary lifestyle diseases. Isa may, hindi kayo active din eh.
Iboy ko, sir.
Ang binig si Miss Cheryl, sa previous classes na ito, masigikat po. Now, ang boy din ng Miss Cheryl kay na-effect sa ako ang outside health. Now, additionally, it bolsters mental health, alleviating symptoms of depression and anxiety. Listen class. Tapos, dali mag-engage na to physical activity ka, improve sa tuwang mood, and promoting a better sleep. Siguro po naman nakasleep si Miss Cheryl sa mga previous classes na to. It's because nag-engage siya sa physical activity before siya enter sa class. Diba? Pretty po. Again, kasabot na ba sa aerobic exercise?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Why is it important to engage to aerobic exercise, Kali? Yes, Miss Sarael?
For us to be not at risk with mga health problems or mga diseases because they're very common.
Yes. What else? Miss Moiko? Why is it important man to engage in aerobic exercise?
For us to be healthy.
And
For us to have a long life.
okay, in general, no, that is correct. Very good, Mr. Alan, Miss Moiko. Now, talking about numerous diseases that can occur as a result of sedentary lifestyle. Sige, kung sa may mga sedentary lifestyle din yung mga example ng mga affect sa itong health. Yes, Mr. Al.
Kuan sir, kanang mag-cellphone, kanang mag-ano lang sir, kanang punto lang ito sa balat. Oo, parang aside na lang sa ito, kanang sir, kaon sir, kaya bigka, bigka dayon, something like that sir.
Okay, what more, Mr. Lamparas? Yes, Mr. Lamparas. Wala. So, katong tanang ibang mention ninyo ni Miss Sarael, kaya pwede na ito siya makombat. Kaya we have several strategies to combat them. As a PE student, what can you do man to help the majority in their community address their health issues? Kaya mga business students man tanong, and of course, listen, sa man as a PE student, sa man niya mag-contribute, sa man niya siya pag-address sa community about silang health issues. Yes, Ms. Cherbel.
To answer as a future educator, happy to answer ka ng mga kapat mo
according to Mr. Bell, mag-organize an event that caters the need of majority, which is physical activity. Yang na-mention is Zumba and mga physical activity again. Or fitness event. Now talking about fitness event. Kung sa man ang fitness event? Anyone? Okay, exactly. Ito, tanong ko sa that is a fitness event. Okay, again, I'm talking about fitness event. A fitness event can come into the form of short, single training or exercise session. A group or batch of sessions extended over a period to full-blown event with many participants such as fun run or marathon. Ito na mention niyo kanina, pwede ang Zumba. The most common health target is for cardiovascular endurance. However, any health issues can be addressed. For example, obesity. Una na kung nagkak sila just like Zumba or fun run because ilang mga target ng mga participants is at mga obese. Para makaibig sila ng physical activities like running, para po ma-enhance kamay ang lahang overall health. Now, I have here the fitness facts benefits next slide. Now, yes, Mr. Bill, please read the benefits of the Mangkot in participating in fitness events.
So, fitness box benefits. So, 1, exercise boosts brain power. 2, movement helps away stress. 3, exercise gives you energy. 4, fitness can help build relationships. 5, exercise helps ward off diseases.
Okay, very good. First now we have the exercise boost brain power. Now, not only does exercise improve your body, but also it boosts your mental capacity, your mental functioning. Meaning, in doing exercise, it is not only help your it is not gonna mag-help lang sa tuang body, but also po sa pag-function sa tuang brain, sa tuang mental function. As what the certified trainer David Appleton said, mana siya here that exercise increases energy levels and increases serotonin in the brain. So, sama ng serotonin, kaya ano ba siya ngayon? Ma-engage in the physical activity, mag-increase po na po ang serotonin sa tuang body. So, what is serotonin? Yes, Mr. Laparas. Serotonin. Yes, Miss Sarah.
Serotonin siya ang in charge sa function sa atong mood. So if we engage sa other activity, may for the serotonin sa energy.
And
Mood.
very good, Miss Sarah. Exactly. The second one we have here, the movement melts away stress. Why do you think movement melts away our stress? Yes, again, Miss Sarah. Kai?
Kaya mag-bond sa sir. Nag-jumble words.
Okay, the second one we have here, the movement melts away stress. Okay, now what do you think movement melts away our stress, man? Yes, Miss Sarah.
Movement melts away our stress. Siyempre, we engage in sports. Kaya natuwa na lang atong focus kaya naaras na itong move sa atong body so ma-distract ka sa atong mga ibang mga problems, sa atong mga something like that. So, ma-distract ka. So, basically, kaya malimta na ito ang stress.
Very good, that is correct. Thank you very much, Miss Sarah. Exercise produces a relaxation response that serves as positive distraction. It also helps elevate your mood again and keep depression at bay. Okay, understand? You got it? You got it, guys?
Yes, sir.
You got it. Next one, we have the exercise gives you energy. Why not? You might be surprised now at how, say, popping in other people. You can learn to embrace beauty of socializing while you're laughing. Okay, next and last one we have here the exercise helps ward off diseases. Research has shown accordingly that exercise can slow or help prevent heart disease, stroke, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, type 2 diabetes, arthritis, osteoporosis or bone loss, and loss of muscle mass, says ni Asperino. So you may take note of that. Si Mr. Asperino ang note. It also helps both ease some aspects of what? Of the aging process when we engage to physical fitness, physical activity, it wash off atong pagpadaling sa process sa pagkatiguang ng central age. So those are the benefits that you can get in doing fitness exercises. Now, let us discuss about how to develop a fitness event. I mentioned so, ni Mr. Bell that mag-organize daw o Zumba event or whatever event is an activity event to promote our overall health na point out sa mga health issues sa ating society. Okay, organizing a fitness event to make the current health issues or concern is an easy task, di ba?
Yes, sir. And I experienced it.
Really, wow. Okay, a well-organized and planned event activity is the key to achieve the target and attain the best result. Collaboration with the group and the spirit of openness atong tanan sa ilang group will be important components to having a good result. Okay, when we say fitness event, basta galing ang fitness event, everyone please read.
Is an event per day where the activity is considered fitness level because it was performed at a higher intensity than your normal routine activity.
Okay, you got it?
Yes.
That's Dory. Now, when we say organized, what do you think is organized? Everyone please read.
To put persons or things into their proper places in relation to each other. Organize is like arranging so that the whole aggregate works as a unit with each element having a proper function.
Okay, very good. But planning on the other hand is the process of making plans for something. It is an important part of the success of every activity. So before we will conduct an activity, of course, we should have our planning or our plan for the activity. The planning process provides the information management needs to make effective decisions about how to allocate the resources in a way that will enable the organization to reach its objectives. Now, organized. Let's proceed next to arrangement. What do you think is arrangement? Everyone, please read.
Is making arrangements or preparation for an event or activity which are often arranged in a systematic way, especially on a large scale.
Okay, arrange. Everyone, please say arrange.
Arrange.
Okay, very good. Wala na ilang talino. Okay, next. Sa Alamos Conducted Event Planning. Yes, Mr. Bill, please read.
Event planning. 1. Goal of event. 2. Budget proposal. 3. Location and layout. 4. Manage logistics. 5. Plan marketing strategies.
Okay, first we have the goal of the event. Of course, when having an activity, we should set our goals first. The function can have more than one focal point, but you should have a goal in mind that you want to achieve. This will help navigate the planning process. Okay, not a goal, of course, we will try to achieve that goal. Next is the budget proposal. Your budget is a pretty big factor in the event planning process. After all, it dictates what you can and can't afford to do. Why do you think Ms. Moiko, the treasurer of the TL Plus Club, why do you think budget proposal is important in event planning?
For not just certain, there are mga gastos sa mga prizes, events.
Yes, exactly. That is correct. Thank you very much. Next, we have here the location and layout. When it comes to location, you have various options to make. The location you will choose is dependent on the type of your event na yung mga bigla. You have to find location that accommodate and provides everything that you need. Okay. Isulpod nung magpa-event ka sa room mo lang yun. Masumba ka sa room niya. Hindi mag-participate. Of course, dapat sa panagal na siya in-out. Next, we have manage the logistics. There is a lot going on before, during, and after an event that needs to be taken care of. Manage the logistics so that there are no issues on the day, considering parking arrangement, check-in, or registration on the day, and make sure your studio is large enough to handle the number of people. If you have a large number of people attending, think about the plan or entry and ask you to avoid any chaos on site during the day during the event. So, cover po tayo yung logistics is not just booking the place, the venue that you will commence inyong program or event, but also sa mga kalipunon, the logistics po ang naka-assign natin. All the needed at an event is logistics. Lastly is planning marketing strategies. Your event marketing strategy will play a significant role in spreading the word and getting the people to the door. Ano man, isa man yung planning marketing event, planning marketing strategies, what do you think? Isa man siya? Yes? Yes, Mr. L.
Well, sir, as someone na naka-experience na ako organizing an event, sir, planning the marketing strategy, ang unique answer kay ang pag-disseminate ninyo sa information sa inyong audience. So, of course, if you organize an event, of course, may mga audience. So, we have to give a proper announcement, proper instruction, not just sa program, but anything and such, but kung isa man ito ang target audience, so, inform ito sila kung nasa dapit, what time, para in the day na commence na ang program, kay na-adjust po yung mga person na involved, the person na topic.
Okay, very good. Exactly, that's correct. Thank you very much, Miss Sarah. You need to inform to know your community and people that your event is taking place. Magdamo na nga event. Tell them kung why they should go sa event. Think about using Facebook ads, word of mouth marketing, email, and post notifications to share their news. Monitor also back and also club with all the communications ilahan sila na assign. Okay, very good. Okay, again, take note of this one. Sa ganito ang fitness event.
An event every day where an activity is considered fitness level because it must perform at a higher intensity than your normal routine activity.
Okay, next.
Put persons or things in their proper places in relation to each other. Organize.
Di mo ako magbasa, guys? Bale! Bale! Take note, kailangan sa quiz later.
Put persons or things into their proper places in relation to each other. Organize implies arranging so that the whole aggregate works as a unit with each other and having a proper function.
Okay, next. Sa ang arrangement.
This is making arrangements or preparations for an event or activity which are often arranged in a systematic way, especially on a large scale.
Okay, kami ang most important no, ang participation and initiative. So, again, ang participation is the action of taking part in something, and an initiative is the power or opportunity to act or take charge before others do so. Kaning participation and initiative is very important to those who organize o mga event sa inyo in the future. So, here are some of the suggested health and fitness activities that you can initiate. First, we have here the Fun Run for a Cause, Zumba for a Cause, and sports competition. I believe na si Miss Moy po, as siya mentioned nga, organize na sila sports event or balula to sa Children's Center sa Inyansa. Very good enough initiative. Alright, those are the key elements that we must consider to have an effective and efficient nga fitness event. So, very good.
So now we are done discussing how to organize an event. I will be grouping you into two groups, counting from the center.
1,
1, 2. Okay. So in your group now, dapat okay. So our activity is yes. So construction class. I have here a situation where with your group you will create a simple fitness plan that will elevate health issues and concerns. I have here an example. So the title, Fun Run, Baby Steps to Living a Healthy Lifestyle. So objectives, focus more on establishing healthy habits, build muscle, and get out of comfort zone. So expected participants, child, adolescents, and adults. So pwede po na mag-invite ng mga lain na participants just like ito sa Children's Center. Itong ilang teams na ito, pwede po ito sila magamit. Ito sila venue. Yes. So, depende sa event. Venue. Atong boundary is Barangay Hall, but pwede po ito mga mag-view sa Padrondel, mga kanang sa court, covered courts, or kanang mga open area dito. Next is the committee. Program na nila na committee, no? Program committee, food committee, technical, attendance, decorations, and logistics. So here's the program committees. So natin na committees. Program committees, food, technical, attendance, and decorations, and logistics. So sa program committees, included na siya opening prayer, sila yung mga opening prayer, sa opening remarks, intermissions, and sa flow, di ko flow sa program hantod sa closing remarks and closing prayer. And sa food committee po, napay ilasay nga person para buwan sa food, kanimuhatan sa food, mga snacks, mga prizes, and all. So sa technical, mag-assign tag one person lang sa technical to operate sa mga music, sa mga lights, mga anak. And then sa attendance, mag-assign tag one person to check the attendance if complete ba talaga ang mga participants, ang mga organizers,
organizers. Kaya kung may organize na, i-check ko din yung mga attendance and complete ko din mo. And next, sa decoration. So, importante sa ito ay mag-assign ta og decoration committees kay So, important sa ito mag-assign ta og decoration committees kay para ma-anay yung tanan ng flow para na sa kahead then siya mga members para madali ang mag-decorate sa event. Okay, sa logistics, pwede mo talaga sa budget, sa mga pamalikod, sa decoration. So, may example logistics. Mr. Hamisala.
Just like na-mention sa discussion kanina, actions of the district committee is to book the venue event, the venues the event, to accommodate the parking lots, the parking cars and all. And na-mention ko kanina that they were the ones coming. Oh my God. I'm so sorry. Okay. Sa logistics fund na-mention kanina na sila may secure sa magtanang palitunon nga needed sa event.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Hamisala. Next, I have your situation, and then, what did you answer sa group? So, the situation is, being overweight or obese increase your chances of dying from hypertension, type 2 diabetes, coronary heart disease, strokes, gallbladder disease, or osteoarthritis, sleep apnea, respiratory problem, dyslipidemia, and endometrial, breast, prostate, and colon cancer. How are you going to plan and organize a fitness event to address these issues and concerns? Okay, class, I will give you time, 15 minutes. Is it enough to answer this activity?
Yes.
Okay, you can start now. importante ang budget proposal, goals sa event, katong 6 kabuk elements. Ano importante rin ito siya? Kay? Yes? Miss? Moiko?
Yes. Important sila for a successful sa event.
Yes, that is correct, glorify the Trinity by saying, Glory be to the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit, as it was in the beginning, is now, and ever shall be, world without end. Amen. Goodbye, class.